Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia and I'm here to open another entry in my tag challenge that I've got going at the moment. And this one here is from Beth Scott and she's in South Australia. I have a few people in South Australia, don't we? I have a few Australian Aussie followers, so that's really good. And you cut that out, and then we've got this here. Things, a gift for you. Oh, thank you very much. There's nothing better than a gift, is it? Entry from. Oh, look at this. This is nice, isn't it? This gift for me just there. I'll show you that in a minute. Won't miss out. Piece of, I love handmade paper. Sorry that my entry is late. No, you're not late. Here, you are here on plenty of time. Hope you like it. There's also a gift for you. Kind regards, Beth. There's people sending me gifts from tags from overseas, and I'm quite happy to wait. If you let me know that it's coming and you've entered, I will put you in the drawer. Okay, if that's all right, and then we'll go on from there. Oh, look at this! Wow. Now that's a good idea. She's used actually a darker card behind that to get this absolutely gorgeous effect. It looks boho-ish to me, don't you reckon? Isn't that beaut? Oh, do I love that. Never thought of that, doing a different colour, like we do on paper and that, but you've got this on something that's dark, so it's coming up like, I don't know, is that what that is too? Why do you got that colour? Maybe that's just I thought that was a darker colour, that's why it was a bit, it looks so good. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is absolutely beautiful. Oh, look, she's got a little kitten on there. Okay, so she's been a subscriber of mine for about 2 years. And she often leaves a comment. I think I've seen her comments. Can't remember now. It doesn't really matter whether you do or not, because I know a lot of you watch on your phones or whatever, and you can't actually put up a comment. But, so that they are really beautiful. Thank you so much. You've got this really neat little stamp thingy there. Really nice that is, and I love the colours. I just absolutely love the colours of these. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I don't know how like I said, I don't know how I'm going to present these in a book, because I don't want to stick them back down. I don't want to stick them on. I just don't know what to do unless I get something with a lot of clear pockets in it or something and put them down in that. I suppose I could do that, but then what would that something be? We'll have to work on that, Sonia, won't we? Thank you very much for that. That's really, really nice of you for sending me that, Beth. And then I got some goodies for me, she said. Some goodies for me, but then I'm always getting goodies. I'm spoiled in, absolutely spoiled me, I am. Wow. Oh, look at the bird. Did you make the bird? Might have done. Isn't he neat? He's cool, isn't he? I love the bird. Love these things. Oh, I do love those. Love to use those. These are nice, aren't they? Beautiful little hearts. Cards. Now this is something I don't have very many of. Look at, you've got cards. Oh, thank you. Wow. These are neat, aren't they? Oh, look at that. Oh, I love these. All good. Oh, I love everything, don't you know? But I love these. I love these. Thank you very much, Beth. I do love these cards. Look at this. Oh, I try to find some, but I can't. I found some and they were really, really old, and I think they were just too old to use, and I just couldn't bring myself to do anything much with them. But I might one day. Look at these. I do love these, aren't these gorgeous? These make good tuck spots too, wouldn't they? Sometimes, though, I'll probably keep these for about 3 or 4 years, and then I might use it because I want to. Look at this, a baby bird. Oh, look at this. Isn't this cute? I do love them. Thank you very much. They are gorgeous, them. And I've got a butterfly. Yeah. He's neat too. Wow. Oh, nice. More of these beautiful. I love them heart sticking things. I do love them. They're beautiful. And a really nice piece of what do you call this lace? I do know, but I can't think of it at the moment. as we get older, you know, our brain stores up so much stuff, you've got to wait till it comes to the top, you know. We're like, that's what the doctor said to me one day anyway. You got that much stuff there, so it's got to, and that's a good excuse, isn't it, for when you forget things. Isn't this beautiful? I know what this is called, actually. It might be Pure lace. It could be. Don't get me wrong. I was watching this thing on that Lindsay puts up. She is Lindsay Lenore, and she does some really nice journals. And one day she was talking about what they were made out of, and she couldn't work out what it was. And some person said to her she was a fraud because she didn't know. Hey, come on, everybody doesn't know everything, do they? That wasn't very nice, but anyway, she's a lovely person. Look at this. Aren't these beautiful? Oh boy, thank you so much. Where do you find these ever? Oh wow, I do love them. And I've got some, what is this? Vellum. Really? Oh, is it blue? Oh, this is, oh, look at this. Look what I got here. Get my body people in here quick. Some vellum. You're in Australia, aren't you? Where did you get this at? Don't know if I've seen this brand of any. Oh, look at that. Wow. These are really nice. Thank you so much. They might have got a little bit squished, but you can easily put it through the embossing, with the embossing folder or anything. It just doesn't matter. Isn't that nice? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I didn't need to take them out. It says the pale blue. 3 sheets of pale blue. I'm going to get it stuck to this sticky thing here on the back. Well, I'm trying to put it back in. I do not want to wreck it. I'm going to stick the sticker somewhere else, like there. Okay. I'm thinking I'll remember what it is. And I'll put this down here like that. And put this back in here. I want to look after him before I use it. That's nice. I really love that stuff. That's pretty, isn't it? I think when I say stuff, I meant vellum. I might have some really darkish grey stuff that I got somewhere one time, but I haven't been able to find anything like that. These are really good things. Thank you very much for my prezzies. I really appreciate this. It's very kind of you. A lot of people are sending me presents, and that's very nice of you. Not even my birthday or anything. And I feel a bit bad because I've got all you lovely people sending me these things, and I've got a couple of prizes to give out so far. One will be a journal made by me. The other one will be a journal kit pack or something. All the stuff in it you need to make one. I don't know. We'll have to see how I go. I can send as many as I can afford to, so I will definitely do that. So thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Julia. Is it Julie I'm talking to? No, it's not. It's Beth. Oh, dear Beth, I'm so sorry, darling. Okay. Sorry, Beth. It's in there, look. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.